friends. Today for Art Center, we're going to make a flower. So you're going to need your blue piece of paper, your purple pot, your green stem, your yellow circle, and your flower petals. The first thing we're going to do is glue our purple pot down at the bottom of the page. So I'm going to put glue on the back. I'm going to run it along the back, the corners here, the edges, put some in the middle so that it sticks really well. And then I'm going to press that down and glue it right there down in the middle. All right, then the next thing I'm going to add is my green stem. So again, I'm going to put a nice amount of glue down my green stem, and I'm going to put it right in the pot, just like that, so it's sticking out. Okay, friends, now I'm going to glue the yellow circle in the center. Put glue on the back and press that down. All right, and put that right about there. Okay. And then I'm going to stick my flower petals kind of under the yellow circle, if you see that. Now I'm going to see how they are? I'm going to space them out first. Okay. So that gives me a good idea. We have 6 flower petals, okay? See how I did that? I was kind of doing my spacing first. Now I'm going to go back through and pull one up at a time, and I'm going to glue them down and kind of press them under that yellow circle. Okay, so again, gluing it down, and I'm pressing it under the yellow circle. Put 3 on. Number 4. 5. And number 6. All right, friends, so there we have it. Oh, almost, my glue got stuck. All right, there we have it, our beautiful flower. Now, you're going to save this. In just a second, at the writing center, we're going to work on some writing to put on here. All right, we'll see you soon.